Okay, basic shapes. In a graphic or in a drawing, there's always a basic shape that has to be done to create a graphic. So in CorelDRAW, you can create this graphic, and it's already preset in your basic shapes. Okay, so it's this one here, basic shapes. Anyway, I'm just going to delete this one. We're going to recreate, or I'm gonna show you where to get those graphics. So in basic shape, if you click on basic shape here, and in the property bar here, you can see there's a shape here, and if you click that, you can see you got options here to choose any shape you want. So for example, you're creating a no smoking sign, you can choose this one. Okay, so once you choose that, you hold on Control, okay, press Control, do not release, and click and drag the graphic, and there you go. Okay, and if you notice, once you click on the graphic and make it, if you resize it like that, you see that there's like a red diamond here. If there's a red diamond, means to say you can reshape, or you can reshape the object. So let's try doing that. So if you click on that, okay, and then move it out, then you can reshape the object. So now I can create my no parking sign, or no smoking sign, or whatever sign you want. But that's really fast, and if you can always reshape it if you want by going to your shape tool and click on the diamond again, and then you can reshape it like that. Okay. Now there's lots of shape in here. Let's go back here to, let's say you're going to make this smiley face. I know smiley face is a simple one, but I'm just going to show you. So you hold down Control. Okay, now why do we hold down Control? Hold down Control so that the shape would be proportion. I mean, it's a perfect circle. Okay, hold on Control and click and drag. If you notice, it's a perfect circle. Now if you notice here, the smiley face has this red icon here. So what would happen if I drag that? Oh, so it changes the expression. Okay, that's really a good thing too, because that's a shortcut. Okay. Now let's go to other shapes here. So the heart, you can click on the heart and then hold down Control and then click and drag, so you can instantly create a heart. Okay. Now there are also objects here, like for example this one here, the cross. See, you hold on Control and click and drag, so you got a cross. But then you have this red icon, so you can reshape it. Okay, it's good to know that CorelDRAW has this option, so that it would go to your memory that, for example, you need a cross, then you just go to the basic shape. If you need a no smoking sign, you go to the basic shape, or a heart. Okay, so it's nice to know that CorelDRAW has those options. Now let's go back here to the basic shapes, and you can also, this one's interesting too. So I click and drag. Okay, so you can create a border in a frame. Okay, so I go click this one, and you can adjust. Okay, that's a good one too. And what else do we have here? We also have this one here to create buttons. Okay, and if you notice, there's that red icon again, then you can make the button different shape. Okay, so yeah, you explore on these objects here, and you would know, and then if you explore that one, it goes to your memory, and then if you need it, you would remember, okay, basic shapes, we can go to basic shape and just modify the basic shapes.